How to make a radio based on a song in Spotify. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can make a radio station based on a song in Spotify. In addition to many options, Spotify also offers the option to create a radio based on the song we want. In this way, Spotify will select songs of a similar or the same genre and create a playlist for us. How can we achieve this? First, we will open Spotify. When Spotify is opened, we will find the song we want. When we have selected a song, we will open the player located at the bottom of the screen. When the player has opened, find the three dots located in the upper right corner and tap on them. The new window will offer us options that we can perform for our song, such as adding it to the playlist, adding it to the queue, or sharing the song with our friends. However, we need to go to radio option. When you find it, tap on it. This can be seen on the playlist that was compiled based on our song. Now you can save, edit, or delete this playlist like any other. In this way, I can make it much easier for myself to create a custom list and enjoy the music we love in a fast and efficient way. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Spotify tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.